Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, Infiniti G35 2007. We have two keys here for this car, two remotes. One of them, I believe, you see, you hear door lock, unlock, and when you try to start it, you see turn the ignition on. The car no cranking. You see there is no cranking. But they say that is a programming issue. So we have two keys. We try to reprogram. We're gonna consider it. All this is 903 FCC ending 903. I'm gonna try to reprogram his own key like all kilos and add one key here to see what is that really the car no cranking because of the key or because of something else. So let me try to turn the key ignition on. And I will go to IMO, accept,
successfully paired,
and then I will go to VIN. I will say okay. Okay. I see the VIN number is already there. Say okay. We're gonna wait till it reads the BSIM, the body control module. Then we're gonna start programming. They start the car from the bottom. It could be a wiring issue, could be anything, but we just have to go through this. We're gonna reprogram those two keys, and I'm gonna program another one from this one as extra, just to be sure that it is not a key problem. 67%. To do the programming, ignition must be off. Okay. Now I gotta go to IMO scan to see how many keys there. And if the key is programmed, smart key, it said that two key program already in the system. They say two key already programmed in the system. So this one is good. You see the way it does, that means already programmed. If it doesn't program, will not door lock, unlock. This is the one that he have. This is not working. So let's reprogram everything, and I will add another one from mine here just to be sure. Okay. So I'm gonna go to all kilos. Start it. Ignition must be off. Ignition is off. You're gonna delete all the keys. Ignition off, hazard on. Okay. Success here. You unlock the steering column. Insert the key you wanna program. I'm gonna put this on first. Put it here. Turn the key on. See, I don't see any blinking light, but let's see now. Okay. This could be programmed soon. This one is programmed. He's gonna ask me, remove it.
successfully paired,
I take okay. Okay, now put it in. Maybe this is what we're looking for. Push it on, ignition light should blink 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is good. I will say yes. I want to program another one, say yes. So this one is programmed already.
you just programmed this one?
Yeah, hold on. You want me to do this?
No, that one is already programmed.
No, I have to program. You're gonna delete everything.
Okay.
So do this one here. Now I'm gonna open the ignition. I'm gonna flash 5 times. Flash 5 times, yes. You wanna program another one, say yes. Take this one out. I programmed 2. I'm gonna take one of mine here, just in case. I put it there. Say okay. Now I'm gonna put this one inside. Turn the ignition on. It's supposed to blink 5 times. Say yes. Do you want to program another one? No. Remove this one out. Say okay. Put the key in the ignition and turn the key on. Wait 5 seconds. So no blinking again. Remove it. Ignition is on. Key learning is successful. Everything success. Turn the key on. Let me push this. This is okay. This is good. Give me the other one.
Right there.
This is also good. All of them is good. So now I'm gonna push the brake. Supposed to crank. Supposed to crank. The car supposed to crank. It doesn't crank. So it's not a key problem. Those key already programmed. Okay. So let me escape here.
I'll try to start it now.
Hold on. Just 1 minute. Okay. I do that for you. Just 1 minute. Okay. This one is closed. You put it inside there, right? Let me turn it off first. I turn it off. Let me start it now. Leave it there. Leave it. Push it. Nothing. Again. Push it. Nothing. Let me put the car in neutral. Maybe safety neutral switch is problem. No. You see? No cranking. See? Okay, so from the beginning, we just add your own key and reprogram your key. But it is not.
Key light off. Try now.
Okay, turn it off, right? Okay, the key is inside here, right? I'm gonna put the shift back, okay? Now let's go. I'm gonna try to start it again. Ignition on, key light off, right? Push the brake. It's supposed to crank. And if it's not programmed, you will not be able to start it from the hood. You know, like you start it under the hood because everything is programmed. If it's not programmed, it will not start under the hood. So now go open the hood, put that wire that you have it into the battery, the bypass that you did. Yes, it's on. Ignition is on. He's gonna jump. He's gonna take one wire there. He have it from the starter directly to the battery. The car is started. Okay, so it is not a key programming issue. This is electrical problem. Further diagnosis need to be done on it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and give us any idea or any opinion. But I believe it could be a fuse. It could be a fuse. It could be a wire. It could be anything. You need to diagnose this car correctly.
So it's not the key.
Yeah, it's not a key because from the beginning, if it's a key problem, you will not be able to drive this car to come here. You can't do it. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, and I believe this car needs more diagnosis and more troubleshooting. And see you in another video. Thank you.